Hello everyone, welcome to Small World Car. Today I'm going to show you some of the castings I got recently and whose video will be coming very soon. This is the first one from Master Design. It's a 1999 Ford Model A with a trailer. Now let's move to some Hot Wheels which are new for 2025. This is Alfa Romeo Giulia TI Super. It's new for 2025. Let's go to the next one. Next we have Lotus Cortina. Again, it's new for 2025 by Hot Wheels. We have got a 66 Buick Riviera. I think it was also launched in a different color. This is a black one, new for 2025. Also got this Morgan Super 3. Pretty sure you might have already seen this one in green, but this seems like a new color. And there's this 75 Chevy Blazer Custom. I'm not sure if it's new for 2025 or was it new for 2024. Doesn't say anything, but looks like a good casting. Also, we've got this Land Cruiser pickup from Hot Wheels Silver Series. So basically an old casting but with some more details on it. Looks good though. Next, we have got some Matchbox moving parts casting. So we've got the 1991 Mitsubishi Pajero. Again, new for 2025. We'll see once open up. Looks like a nice one. Then we have got the Lambo Centenario. This isn't new for 2025, but again, it's part of the whole, I think, re-release maybe. It looks good. So then we've got a 2024 Porsche 718 Spider RS. This casting is new for 2025 with opening doors. Then we have got the 1962 Ford Anglia. As you can see, this is the car from the Harry Potter movies. I think it was released last year, but I finally got it this year. Next, we have got this Alpha Wolf electric truck. Again, new for 2025. Then we have Volkswagen Golf Mark 1 Cabrio. Again, it's new for 2025 with opening doors. Well, next in line is 2024 Dodge Charger Daytona RT. It's basically an electric charger, Dodge Charger. It's again new for 2025, and as you can see, it got opening door. Now we have got some recolors. First of all, this Audi 90 Quattro from Hot Wheels. Then we have got this 70 Plymouth Superbird art car from Hot Wheels. Next we have Land Rover Defender 90, the original Land Rover Defender one, and again it's a different color. I think it's new for 2025, not the casting but the color. Next we got Bugatti EB10 SS. Again, I think it's a new paint for this year. A 69 Dodge Coronet Super B. I'm not sure about the origins of this one, like when was it released first time, but I think this paint I have only seen in this year. Then we have got Ford Mustang Dark Horse. I think they released first in the blue color. This is the newer one. Well, you can always expect a new Honda Civic, basically old Honda Civic with a new paint job. So yeah, we got another color this year. And at last we have got this Monster Dairy Delivery truck. So these are the castings where the videos you can see in coming weeks. We have videos, like individual videos done for these castings in coming days, and you can enjoy the details and everything. Well, that's all for the day. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.